He was hanging on a clearance rack at the Red Pineapple Shack. Ukulele in a hula skirt, Pop Polly had no shirt. Well, he smiled at me and I smiled at him, and I knew right there and then me and this Hawaiian chimpanzee were about to be good friends. Well, Mango, the dashboard monkey, bobbled his little head, and he shook that monkey booty when I looked at him and said, we're going back to Texas, and we'll ride all over town, 'cause you're Mango, the dashboard monkey, and you're the coolest chimp around. Yeah, he's Mango, the dashboard monkey. He just likes monkeying around. Well, I flew on home to Dallas. Mango bobbled all the way. The big old gal beside me didn't know quite what to say. She glanced at him, then back at me, and with a look of pure disdain asked, how the hell did TSA let you get on this plane? I said, listen here, Karen, when Mango, the dashboard monkey, bobbles his little head, and he shakes his monkey business, and he looks at you and says, I'm flying back to Texas, y'all, where I'll ride all over town, 'cause I'm Mango, the dashboard monkey, and I'm the coolest chimp around. Yeah, he's Mango, the dashboard monkey, and he sure likes monkeying around. That pretty much shut her up, though she pursed her disapproving lips. She didn't have much more to say for the rest of that airplane trip. But when I had a couple Jack and Cokes, how was I to know what lay in store? Old Mango and me would go viral on American Flight 1454. Yeah, when Mango, the dashboard monkey, bobbles his little head, and he shakes his twig and berries, and he looks at you and says, we're flying back to Texas, son, where I'll ride all over town, 'cause I'm Mango, the dashboard monkey, and I'm the coolest primate around. Yeah.